Welcome back, students. We are going to start the next poem, The Road Not Taken, by Robert Frost. This Road Not Taken is a symbolic poem that tells about the choices that what we make today, how important these choices are for us in the future life. Otherwise, this is a poem that tells us about how our today's decision make our tomorrow's life. How much we should be careful enough to opt or choose a way, because as the poet says, once you started traveling on a particular way, once you have chosen a special choice, once you have made up a choice, and once you implemented that in your life, there is no possibility to come back that one, the previous juncture, and restart your journey. Because once you started your life journey, it keeps on moving. This well-known poem is about making choices and the choices that shape us. This story, this poem, is all about the choices that we make today and how the choices make our life. What we are today is a result of what we have taken, what kinds of decision we took in the past, or not. If not, suppose we, but if our parents, what decision you will take today will decide your future, and of course will shape and craft not only your future but also the life of your children, life of the next generation also. So if you take a proper decision today, you will have a smooth life later on. And if a decision proves to be wrong, then not only you, but people around you, people associated with you, people related to you, will also have to struggle with your one bad decision. So while we take the decision, the poet reminds you that you should have a proper view of the options. You cannot take a particular decision without having proper survey, without having proper inspection to a certain choice. When we are placed in front of many choices, when we have several roads, several paths, several ways diverging from the single point, then there you need to stand, there you need to wait, there you need to think, there you need to pause, then you have to have a close look on each and every of the road. You have to analyze the merits and demerits as far as you can from the point of the beginning of each of the road. You should see this road first, you should see next road, you should see the other road. So you should have a proper vision of all these roads. Otherwise, there will be no use if you later on repent on the decision what you have made. So this story is all about, this poem is all about the choices what we make today. Robert Frost is an American poet who writes simply but insightfully. So Robert Frost is a very well celebrated, one of the best known, one of the well known poets of America. He writes very simple. His language seems to be very simple there, but you see that this is a 16-line short poem, but this 16 lines have a deeper meaning. Whenever you read the poem, you will find some new meaning with that verse. He was an amazing writer. Although his poems look so simple, but magnificent meanings, inwardly, insightfully, the poems were absolutely touching. They were very, very powerful. And he wrote about common, ordinary experience. You should not consider that the poem Road Not Taken is a simple poem only because of counting of the lines included, only because of the four stanza, only because it has got a fewer words or few lines. These few lines have got a very deep meaning indeed. We will continue in the next class.